Hi there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our side door anti-theft guard suitable for Vauxhall Vivaros and Renault Trafic 2014 to 2018 and Nissan NV300 2014 to 2021. It is very common to experience break-ins by thieves drilling holes through the side door to access the locking mechanism. If your van has been broken into, you would usually be required to replace the entire door, which can prove expensive and time-consuming, especially if you need to respray the door. This X8R kit contains everything you need to repair a past break-in, as well as protect your vehicle from future attacks. The external shield is made from 2.5mm brushed stainless steel, which is over twice the thickness of the OEM door. You will also receive a closed-cell foam gasket, which provides a waterproof seal between the door and the guard. The internal guard is also made from 2.5mm stainless steel and is powder-coated green. You will also receive a paper template, 13 nylock nuts, and 13 stainless steel washers. Measure 335mm up from the swage line on the door and mark using masking tape. Dab grease around the area and place the paper template over the top. The grease will enable you to move the template to the correct position. The bottom of the template should line up to the masking tape. Use more masking tape to fix the template to the door. Using a center punch, mark the drill holes on the template. If you do not have a center punch, you can use a screwdriver bit and a hammer to knock in an indent. Drill the pilot holes using a 3mm drill bit. Open the holes to 9mm. After this, you can offer up the guard to the door to ensure it fits. Remove the template. Clean the door to remove any swarf. Use a paint pen or touch-up kit to go over all the drilled holes. This will prevent rust. If your vehicle has previously been drilled by thieves, ensure that this has also been touched up. Allow the paint to dry. Take a good quality wax oil and spray over the holes. This adds another layer of protection against rust. Fit the gasket to the exterior guard and fit into the door. And wipe away any excess wax oil. Fit 4 of the washers over the top of the outer studs. and hand tighten the nylock nuts over the top. Use a 10mm spanner to remove the 3 bolts holding on the locking mechanism. Move the mechanism out of the way of the internals of the door. Place the internal shield over the top of the studs. Place a washer and hand tighten a nylock nut over each stud one by one. When all the washers and nuts are in place over all 9 studs on the inside of the door, tighten them using a 10mm spanner or ratchet until you feel resistance. Do not over-tighten the nuts, as this could cause the studs to snap. Tighten the outer nuts in the same way. The gasket should sit flush in between the guard and the door. Move the locking mechanism back into position and tighten the nuts until they are secure. This is the installation complete. This product is now available to purchase on our Amazon and eBay stores, as well as our website x8r.co.uk. Please search product number X8R0257. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.